So, welcome everybody. Here's a small video about cloud functions and the power of using cloud functions in Google Cloud. So there's a lot of information online on how to use it, especially from the Google side of things. So it's something worth going into. But one of the biggest advantages of using Cloud Function, as it states here, you can write your code without worrying about provisioning any resources or scaling to handle changing requirements. So that means you could use your Python code or any language of your preference to write a function, and you don't need to worry about the underlying specification of any resources. You can run the code and see how it performs within the cloud environment. So I'm going to give a quick example using the inbuilt Python, and then you can go ahead and modify it as you wish. So let me just go here. So you go into Cloud Function, which can be found within the hamburger menu. Go into Cloud Functions here. You've got two environments. Always go for the second generation. Function 1, and I'm going to leave it as US Central 1 Iowa. Here, we're going to use a HTTPS trigger, which meaning that anything we do with the function will appear as a HTTPS web page. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to allow everything to be unauthenticated. So let me just do that. Go to next. Let me just move that to there. Right, the runtime I'm going to change to Python 11, and I'm going to leave the rest as it is. So this is the inbuilt Python cloud function, which is really good to test with. So let's do that. So you've got the Python code on the right here. Hello HTTP is the name of here, what we got here. And then it should show you a hello message, hello world message on completion. So let's deploy that. So it will take a couple of minutes just to deploy, but it's already earmarked the URL which you're going to finally access it. So obviously the previous Python code, you can modify that as you go along and make your own code. It's just a general template code which they're giving just to display the power of cloud functions within the Google Cloud environment. Okay, so after a minute or two, you'll see that it's got a green icon there. It's all been deployed correctly, and it's saying you can run it from here. So it gets deployed here. So I'm just going to, what I can do, I can copy that. Let me just take these out, and I'm going to paste it in here. And there you go. Hello world. So that worked as a cloud function. Brilliant. Now, if we want to look at some of the logs involved, what we can do to see if it's run correctly, we can just simply open up our Cloud Shell. If we want to get some more information, what you can do is go back to the opening page here. What I can do here is terminal settings. Let me just see if it's yeah, it's at the largest, so that's clear to see. So what you can do here is see more description information about the Cloud Shell, the cloud function. So functions, describe the name of the function, which is function -1, and then you want to earmark the region, which is region is US Central 1. Cloud function, describe function 1, region 1. That gives you all the information about the function you created earlier. So that's really good. And if you want to just go to clear, if you want to look at some of the logs, the more specific logs which are available, you can do something like this. So you do gcloud functions logs read. We want generation 2 has earmarked here. Second generation is the environment. The limit of logs which we need to see, well, we only did it once, so 10 at maximum. I could have just 3 really. Region will be US Central 1 has noted, and then the name of the function, which is function -1. So let's have a look at that. And there you go. It shows you all the um, access of your function and when it was run. So that's your cloud functions. Obviously, I'm going to do more videos on this. That's just a small introduction on how to use cloud functions, and obviously we can do more in tailoring our Python code to perform on the Google Cloud. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. If you would like any more videos like this, please press the like button, please subscribe, and I'll do more of these videos, and let's see how far we can go with cloud functions. Thank you.